So the Doogee S99, which is going to be the successor of the S98 and the S98 Pro, is coming very soon. It's going to feature specs that are far better than the previous S98 series. Some of the specs has been reviewed, and currently the device is on AliExpress for $5.99. I wouldn't recommend that you buy the phone now. Wait till Doogee officially launch the phone, and I'm pretty sure that during that time, during the official launch, you might be able to buy the phone for a very cheap price. I'll just quickly tell you the key specs of the phone, some of the specs that was reviewed. So the phone is equipped with a 108 megapixel primary camera. It also features a 64 megapixel night vision camera. The phone flaunts a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus drop notch display. The notch houses a 32 megapixel camera for selfies and video calls. Ships with the Android 12 OS. Its battery capacity is 6000 mAh and it supports 33 watts fast charging. It supports Bluetooth 5.1, NFC. There's a fingerprint scanner embedded on the power button. It doesn't have a 3.5mm headphone jack though. So these are the top features of the Doogee S99. The device, in my opinion, is expected to compete with the Ulefone Ammo 17 Pro because most of the specs are a lot comparable to the specs of the Ulefone Ammo 17 Pro. Like I mentioned earlier, the price currently on AliExpress is $600. What are your thoughts about this new flagship from Doogee? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.